Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use songs on the Video Star app. So you're just going to press the plus button and you're not going to press edit video, but you're going to press select song, and you can choose from here. It's this week's new song and it is free. And there's also these other songs from your music library, but you can choose from here. So for instance, you want to I'm just going to choose a random song. I don't know any of these songs, but I'm just going to choose Save Me, and it's going to sort of download first. Then after that, you're just going to press make video and select a video. After that, you can choose the start and also the end, like where you want the music, and then you're just going to press make video. And then you are going to just import a video. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.